really think this Mimo app is really cool. You can learn Python and I think there's a couple other stuff you can learn, like HTML and stuff. But let me go to the basics. So if you don't know any programming language, you start off here and you click creating variables. Oh, let's see if it'll let me do this. Yeah, Python is a fantastic programming language for beginners and experts alike. So it gives you these hearts, and after you do 5 mistakes, you have to wait for the heart to re-up. So as long as you're not making mistakes and answering the questions, you can keep learning the language as long as you want. But once those hearts go away, you have to wait until like the time replenishes that time or whatever. Or you can pay for the version that you can have unlimited hearts, and then you could just learn however long you want. But this is the basic lesson. It's a language of choice for many companies and a popular pick for personal projects. You can use it for automating tasks, getting ahead and work with data analysis, machine learning, and much more. No matter how complex the program is, it begins with a single line of code. This first line is usually a variable. Programs use variables to remember information. Like moving boxes, variables have content and names that tell us what's inside. So for anybody not familiar with programming, the first thing it teaches you is about variables to store information. To create a variable, we need to give it a name. Variable names need to be single words and therefore have no spaces. Tap the variable name city to get started. So that's correct. If I would have put the wrong thing in there, it would have took away a star. If we want a variable name with multiple words, we use a snake case. Snake case means using the underscore to connect the additional words. Home underscore city. To help us understand what's inside a variable, we pick descriptive names. Home underscore city underscore province. What do computers use variables for? To remember information. What's wrong with this variable name? There's a space between the words. What do we use the snake case for? To create variables with multiple words. Variables with multiple words. Why do we give variable descriptive names like city or populations instead of C or P? To help us understand what's inside them. Pick the most descriptive variable name. Hi underscore score. Add the right signs to create the snake case variable. So like the first lesson is very, very easy. It gets harder and harder as it goes, so create a descriptive variable name. Finish naming this variable by coding request. You've just joined a leaderboard. Oh, and then it has ads if you don't have the free version. Oops. So that's how much it cost to remove all ads and to have unlimited hearts. And library, get access to all the past projects and challenges. Oh, so I guess you get access to source code. Build from scratch as many projects as you want. Get a certificate, master level. Oh, then you get a certificate too or something. I don't know. Anyway, but it gets harder and as it goes. I only started a little while ago, but it gets harder and harder as it goes, and then you can see a little certificate at the end of it. But it's pretty cool. I mean, I have some programming knowledge, so I don't know if that's why it's kind of easy for these other ones, but that one was really easy for anybody. But I don't know if these other ones it gets harder and harder for people who aren't familiar with programming, especially if they're not familiar with algebra. Not that it uses a lot of algebra, but I'm just saying like the whole concepts of variables and using them and stuff. Anyway, I just thought this program's pretty cool though, to teach you how to program different things. SQL, web development. Oh, so it gives you different stuff to learn. Anyway, it's pretty cool.